Please subscribe.
If everything was free in the world, what would you buy? Comment down in the comments. What would you buy?
Like you said, everything will be free. I'll get a big house. So you ain't gonna have no car, you just be walking.
That's all. Oh yeah. Don't worry about none of that. Yeah, you good. Oh, that's good. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, you great. But that's what your problem at. That's it.
Yep, that's that 4-cylinder, ain't it? That's the 4-cylinder.
This is so when the bad lifter did this. Bad lifter.
And that was the fourth one. That did it.
Yeah, the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So is it 2 lobes?
16 of them. You got
2
16.
lobes of what's the name? 2
Yeah,
lobes of cylinder.
Your lifter, you know how the lifter went in side by side? One on one side. They're going to the other. See, one on one side. One going to hit on this side when you stick it in, and then one's going to fit for the other side. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. That's why the ancient lifter got a little gap in it.
Yes, sir.
With the old lifter.
Yes, so the tray. The keeper tray.
When you're doing that old.
Yeah, it got a gap in it. That's the.
See?
That's the gap right here.
That flip it over. Flip over. You'll see when you stick them in there. See how they fit?
So
one's gonna be one side.
Catch the other
this
side.
on the side, then the other side and catch the other side. Yeah, that's how it is.
I just learned something.
Yeah. See?
Oh yeah.
See? See that? Hey. Yeah.
Straight V8 the whole time now.
Do it over there. Would you like it?
Yeah.
So what happened? And I got sideways and
I'm turning that, twisting that turn. But what happened? The lifter went bad and did something. Had to. That's what happened. Kick sideways and lift a what? But you're going with some more lifters, so that might, better lifters hopefully.
Oh, they definitely better lifters.
Yeah, so
they considered the new ones because they got bigger bearings in them.
That's what I'm saying. They probably ain't doing all that.
Now these right here, you can't even see the bearings. If I hold the other one like this, you can see the bearings around them.
Okay. Yeah, you're gonna be all right.
What you doing, bro? You don't know.
Yeah.
Momsy.
Let you see, I'm recording.
Yeah, you're back, bro.
Look at my little helper, man. Gray, tell the gang what's up.
What's up?
I'm gonna go put the limiter in there. All right, so we know this bolt right here we can't move. This is the one that we keep in so we can slide it. All the rest of these come out of this phaser. I didn't even write nothing on my boat, and I don't think I am because I keep looking to make sure. Y'all see that long bolt right there? You don't move that bolt at all. Just loosen it up. So I loosen it up already. It should be enough so I can slide this out of my way. So we slide that out the way. Take this right here. This is the phase limiter. And we make sure we got it the right way. And we're gonna drop it inside one of these. But I'm finna go look at the instructions real quick to make sure. All right, so when I watch the video, it says we look for this tool, right? You see this tool right here. We go up 1 until we see this line touching this, right? So if you look around all the other ones, the line is not touching. So this is the only one that the line is touching that. And I thought it was a specific way that I put this in here. But guess what, gang? There's only one way that this is gonna go in. You feel me? There's only one way. You can't make it go in no other way. And that's it. Just like that there. Then you slide this back over. Boom. If I'm not mistaken, the longer bolt goes where the tool is. But I gotta go get some Loctite. That's what I gotta go do. But the longer bolt goes where the tool is, and the other ones just go around it. do gotta get some Loctite and torque these bolts down as well. So I'm not gonna do it right now. Cut the camera back on when we get to the stove. So we need a T25. I don't know if they got it or not. Dang it. It's 27. They don't have a T25. Dang. I might have to buy the set it look like. T15, T20. Yeah, I might get the set. Where's the set? This is both of them. They got a T25 on that. But is it the right drive? That's too small. This shit lame. Good job, lame. Yeah, only go up to a 10. See, that's what I need, but it's on a smaller drive. They're trying to make it. Yeah. They try to make me that mainstream. Here they go. T25. Oh, I could put it at the end of that. That can work. This could work. I was asking my pop, do they make that? That's a 1/4 though. 3/8, they don't got it for this. So that's not gonna work. That's 1/4 and 3/8. Bro, this some lame junk, bro. The inside of that bag. Whole lot of goodies in there. So right now we finna put this on. We waiting on Slowpoke to bring the knife, man. Slowpoke taking forever. That's why I ain't did this shit.
Tip on scissors.
I went and got the blue because I want to be able to take the bolts out one day. You know, if I got to. I ain't want to go with the red because I don't want it to not be able to come out. But the people I brought the cam for, they use red, but I don't think I gotta use red. I really ain't gotta use none for real because I could torque it down, but I'm gonna use blue to at least hold it. Give it medium strength, as you see right there. It say medium strength.
Like a slow poke.
Slow poke right there, man. Dang it, I got that on my leg. I don't need that much of that stuff. Tighten these down, then we're gonna torque them. Make sure that longer bolt went in there. I think I did put the longer bolt in there. Okay, this hand tight. Now we should be able to take this out. You know what, to be on the safe side, I think I'm gonna torque it first. You should be good. Gang, so the other one I brought snap, I had to come back and get another one. We came back and we sitting in O'Reilly parking lot. Show him O'Reilly. I made sure that jump gonna goddamn work before I left up out of here. Put it back on me now. So, I'm trying to do this by myself and hold it. It's kind of hard. Heard that? It's torqued now. So I'm gonna go to the next one. Kind of hard to do it for real. Torque now. Yeah, that junk hurt. So right now, just soaking a little this side of oil. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm actually checking my lifters as well to make sure no play in them.
Don't play with him.
So I can goddamn send them back to something wrong. They all the same, so you ain't gotta worry about them going in certain slot.
And bubble, baby. Oh, you do that.
So I'm about to show y'all the new style lifters as well. I don't even have all these boxes that been going on. So this is a new style lifter. As you can see, the bearings is inside in there as well. It's kind of bigger than stock. No holes in them, no MDS. Straight V8. So if you show them inside of there, it's already a little oil in there, but we're gonna put the rest of this in there just so they can soak overnight. This should help the startup so it don't be making any rattling noises or nothing, but it's gonna make rattling noises because these brand new 0W40. Just gonna pour it over. That should be good enough. A little bit more. That should be good, and we're gonna let them sit overnight. Do their thing. I don't know, gang. Comment down below. Should I go with Mobile 1 now? Or should I stay with my norm and go Pennzoil? I don't know what I want to run yet. I got Pennzoil in the cart though, so comment down below what I should do. I'm going to show that can. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah. Turn it right on over.
Okay,
Thank you. So, we're looking at it so far, making sure everything's good. And this can right here is way different. About the same weight, but the lobes are way different on here. Way different on here. Yeah, man, we finna go install this cam, man. Got my headlight. Fish. I got the headlight. We can go ahead and go out there and put this in. Let's see what happens. Y'all don't know. It's like a little tip mark on here, and this point straight up. That's what I was telling y'all. They go straight up, and goddamn, it's supposed to, what a cam phaser is supposed to slip right over this on top of that. So you will still know if your cam is not in time, if your phaser does not slip over the tip as well when you slide that phaser on. All you gotta do is just turn the cam a little bit more, slide it on again. Let me go get this assembly lube. I put this cam in here, get what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy the red key. I'm gonna buy the red key. And it ain't gonna have no Hellcat on it, just gonna say SRT. You feel me? So, got some assembly lube right here. Over the camshaft bolt too. That's in the trunk.
I think so.
You got to go in the trunk from me again. That door lock. I think. Yeah, it locked. Thank you.
Because I couldn't reach it.
I put fresh in my white tee. Yo, and she don't even excite me. I've been on my grind for a minute for a long time.
Long time.
What that boy say, when you win, you lose. When you lose, you win. That's what I meant to say. So they already got this cam pretty much lubed up already. But I'm gonna wipe it off and put my own assembly lube. Make sure all my pockets are free. Go get something to wipe this off. Y'all don't talk about me by using my underwear. I'm just barely touching it, gang. I'm not even wiping it for real. Just get some of that stuff off. See how folks want to come outside trying to do something. They be nosy. You feel me? That's why I don't really like doing that junk for real. But folks want to come outside to see what you got going on.
True.
So this right here is gonna make it a little slippery. But we're gonna make sure we put this all around the cam. On every load. This is the messy part of the job. I'm only gonna do half. Do the other half later before I push it in. So you're just gonna take your hand, just, you know what I'm saying? Get it on now. Make sure it's all around. The last thing you want to do is scar any of this stuff. Putting this cam in. So you just get it on all the other stuff like that right here. Just get on that real good. And go back here first. So we get it in. Just let it sit right there. Get on the rest. This stuff right here is sticky, boy. Stuff sticky icky. Give me head, mop. Mop. Yeah, nah. Alright. That joint's so goddamn sticky, y'all. Shit don't make no sense. But we in there, gang. And I actually seen somebody get a screwdriver put right here just to turn it. I think I'm gonna have to do the same thing because I'm not gonna be able to just turn it with my hand. It don't look like. Let me get something. We putting this stuff back together, gang, so it's gonna go smooth now. It shouldn't take that long. It shouldn't take that long at all because everything's gonna be put that together, man. If y'all want to, man, y'all can send me a couple $, man, so I get me a toolbox. I already broke them. I've been through enough. I've been through enough. Cash App is down below if y'all want to help the channel out. You know what I'm saying? You want to do anything, help a brother out, donation. Ain't that what I need to do? So them folks to send a little something. Ain't gotta be much. Shout out to the dude who actually sent me some money, bro. Hold on, let me turn this off. Shout out to the dude who actually sent some money. I know I might be dark, but just listen. Shout out to the dude that actually sent some money to my Cash App, bro. That's love. You know what I'm saying? You didn't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what else to say. Just thank you. It been a couple videos, because I said last time, you know, y'all saying if everybody send $1 to my if everybody send $1 to my Cash App, I have $8,000, right? That's all my subscribers. Bro, dude actually sent some money, bro. Shout out to you, bro. You a real one. Just had to let you know that. I don't have a screwdriver right here on handy, so I'm gonna just use this tire plug thing in here, like that, and just turn the cam till it's pointed straight up. And it just went in, gang. I'm actually gonna do a full revolution all the way around, just to make sure it's turning good. And it is. Your bearing's gonna be bad. This and that, bro. Y'all folks just be saying anything, bro. Don't be knowing nothing. Y'all be taking y'all car to the shop. Y'all gonna try to tell me what's wrong with my car. They look straight up to me. I can turn it with my hand, because I done got the bearings oiled up. I think I'm finna get this oil pump off. I think I'm gonna do that next. I sat down and thought about it. You recording, right? Mm-hmm. I sat down and thought about it, gang. And I actually made a list, but it's on my phone. I'm gonna try my best to remember it. So I'm gonna replace the oil pump, right? I'm gonna replace the oil pan pickup tube. I'm actually dropping the oil pan, so I need another oil pan gasket. And I'm gonna try my best to clear all the shaving at the bottom of that oil pan. A lot of the shaving should be inside of here. I'm hoping and assuming. And I actually see some of the shaving on top of my oil pan gasket. Let's see if I can touch some of it. So, if y'all can see my hand, it's not really metal shaving. It's more so trash and a little bit of metal shaving. But I'm taking it off anyway, so a lot of people say I might have metal throughout the block. The reason why I say I don't, because I didn't see nothing too major just by looking at the front bearing, right? A lot of people say I need to change all the bearings out the block and all that, but I think I might get away with just flushing the block. But the cam is installed, as y'all do see. This is the new cam, gang. The new cam is already in. I got so many ants under here, I don't know why. Oh, that's just one. I'm gonna let them live. But anyway, I don't even know what I was saying. Oh, next, I'm gonna drop in the lifters, but the lifters are actually soaking right now because I want to try my best to not have the lifters tapping or anything on the first startup. The reason why they will tap is because they're new and they didn't really have no oil circulating through them. So now I got them soaking in oil. I might leave them soaking in oil for a whole day. Well, I know I'm gonna leave it soaking for a whole day. And I'm actually gonna put some of that lube that y'all seen me put on the cam. Assembly lube. Bearings, cam, lifters, valve train. Prevent seizing, scuffing and all that, right? Super slick. I just use Lucas oil, bro. You don't gotta go too crazy with this stuff. You just need a little bit. Like I said, I am gonna put that on my lifters too when I install them. But I might try to take one of these out. Y'all do know that I'm doing MDS delete. This is the only thing that stays in here. All the rest of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, get block off plugs. And these plugs actually just lay off in here because we no longer need them. So what I am gonna do right now is, and see how that moving? I don't think I will have a problem getting them out. What I am gonna do, I'm gonna take these out, go ahead and unplug them. They just lay in there, gang. Crazy thing is you can have MDS delete by just unplugging it, but you do also have to do the cam upgrade and get new lifters when you do this. A lot of people say, well, if I'm going to do an MDS delete and they just give me block off plugs, why don't I just unplug these and just leave them in there? Well, gang, like I said, you still have to get the cam and lifter, so you still have to do the same process. So when people do this process right here, I don't understand why you won't go a step up. Why go to a OEM cam with non-MDS? Money wise, I can see that, but I just feel like if you're doing this job, bro, give yourself a little sound, man, and a little power at least. If you already doing the stuff that you gotta do for a cam, that's just my opinion. But we actually, I think I'm stage 2. I think this is considered a stage 2 cam. I didn't go stage 3, none of that, because I wanted to stay with the stock stall converter. So We're gonna unplug these and we're gonna try to get these out real quick and go get the block off plugs and put them in here. The cam is in, Terry. It's right here. I already put it in. You missed it.
Thank you.
Pharaoh, what's poppin', my nigga? Pharaoh got it on the beat.
It might drop at night. I don't know yet. Depending on what time it is. These should come out, and I hope they do. A lot of people been having problem getting the air out. I'm just gonna move them around, get it used to moving. These things been in here ever since stop, and I might have to tap them a little bit.
Pharaoh, what's poppin', my nigga? Pharaoh got it on the beat. That boy's good.
Easy.
See, what are these? Like the little shaped ball things.
I really don't know exactly what it do, but I know it make the car go from V8 to 4-cylinder.
So it make it go fast or?
Hit the save, yeah. We put those in there. Just block off fluid, that's all they are.
So can you dry wet them up? Dry with them on? Without them? Huh? Without them? Yeah. Maybe you like come on, you block off.
I don't know if it go all the way down or not. Yeah, it's supposed to seep down in there. Now you seen that one poop? That one pooped and went on in there. Let's see something. I just need, matter of fact, don't gotta be good oil. Just gotta make sure you get around that seal right there. Like that.
Did it?
That one gonna need a little oil on it. You don't have to be perfect, man. Don't put no trash on it, though. Just go around here. So it can slide on there.
That was going to the trunk.
MDS. No more MDS. I need MDS with this camera.
Pharaoh, what's poppin', my nigga? Pharaoh got it on the beat.
I'm gonna go ahead and take off this oil pump, but there's no need because I don't have an oil pump yet. I still gotta order that, and we gotta get this chain off. We got a new timing chain. That's about it. So I think we're done for the day, gang. I think we're done for the day. We're gonna go ahead and cover her up and go in, man. That's it. Catch y'all in the next video, man. Make sure you subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet, man. Stop playing around. Tell them folks to subscribe.
And subscribe. Subscribe before I beat you up. Please subscribe, cause we try to get to 10K right now. So like and subscribe and hit that comment button right now. And we'll see y'all later, guys.
Y'all lit.
Please subscribe.
That's what I was talking about. That slips over the cam. So you know the cam is upright at the top. This right here slides over the cam. You feel me? That dot right there, that let me know that that's gonna be the top dead center. You feel me? Not top dead center. That let me know that it's in timing with that at the top. You feel me? But I just want to show y'all that real quick. That's it.